How to change and use custom crosshair in Marvel Rivals. So first, what you need to do is just simply click on your settings icon here to the top right and go to settings. Once you're there, you simply need to go to keyboard right here at the top, then scroll down till you see the HUD section, and here you will see the reticle type, and go to reticle type right here. And I could simply pick a crosshair that you want. Let's say I want to use a crosshairs right here. You could also go with the circle or dot and circle and crosshairs if you want. For me, I'm going to use this one. Now click on the plus sign here at the advanced to show the advanced settings for the crosshair. As you can see, you could do the reticle animation, or you could just set it to static right there. So I'm gonna remove the animation since I want it steady just like that. You can also change the width if you want for better visibility. And for the details, you could also click on the plus button to change the dot width. Let's say you want a very small dot just like that. And for the crosshair, you want it thick. And for the reticle opacity, you could also change it if you want. The outline width. And you could also click on the details right here to further change your crosshair just like that. And you could just go and change it here. So there's so many that you could customize with the blur, the center gap. So there's the center gap right there. You could also change that if you want. For me, this is good. You could also change the color if you want. Go with red, with blue. But I'm just gonna stick with white. And that's basically it. Once it's done, you can now go back and test it in game.